In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account from Google Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to check if the remove button isn't available. We'll use the Google Payments website, which manages the payment methods linked to your Google account across services like Google Pay, the Play Store, and more. Start by opening paymentsgoogle.com in your browser and signing in to your Google account. Make sure you're using a device and network you trust. If you use more than one Google account, double check you're logged into the right one so you're editing the correct payments profile. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. This is your hub for all cards and bank accounts you've saved. Click it to see a list of your linked methods. If the page looks a little different from what you expect, that's okay. Google occasionally updates the layout, but you're looking for the area that clearly shows your saved cards and bank accounts. Find the specific bank account or card you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have similar accounts saved. You can usually identify them by the bank name and the last few digits. If you don't see the account, it might be linked to a different Google account or an alternate payments profile, so it's worth confirming you're in the correct place. When you're ready, click Remove next to that payment method. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure this is intentional. Click Remove again to confirm. After this, the bank account will no longer be available for future payments through Google services on that profile. Past transactions remain in your activity for your records, and removing a method doesn't delete your history. If you ever need to add the account again, you can do so later from the same payment methods page. If you find that the remove option is grayed out, or you see a message preventing you from deleting the account, it often means the bank account is tied to something active, such as UPI, an auto pay mandate, or a subscription. In that case, you'll need to cancel those services first with the merchant or within the relevant Google Pay feature. Once those are canceled and no longer active, return to payment methods and try removing the account again. That's the full process. Go to payments.googl.com, open payment methods, locate the bank account and remove it, confirming the change. If anything seems off, refresh the page or try a different browser, then repeat the same steps. Thanks for watching and good luck managing your Google Pay payment methods.